holiday party without dessert, so we're gonna make peppermint ice cream cone cake. I love peppermint during the holidays. It's gonna be refreshing, fun, and magical. This one's gonna use ice cream cones as a crust. Let me show you how to do it.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We've got some ice cream cones here. Put them inside of a bag so that I can crush them. Just gently try to break these up. They're coming into a bowl. I'm gonna pour melted butter. It's gonna bind, it's gonna absorb, mix the butter, try to get it everywhere. This is really, really delicious. Got our pan. Our first layer of the cake is literally ice cream cones. It's gonna create the base. Spread it out with a spatula. I'm pushing down on my ice cream cones here with a measuring cup, and that way it's gonna solidify into the perfect crust. Crust is looking good. I'm gonna set this aside, and now let's make a chocolate ganache for our next layer. I'm gonna start by heating up some cream, and now I'm gonna chop up some chocolate. So the idea is I'll pour the hot cream over the chocolate and it will melt. The finer you can chop up the chocolate, the faster it'll melt and the more evenly it will incorporate. Cream is nice and hot. Let's pour it over our chocolate. So I'm just letting the hot cream melt the chocolate for a little bit and then I'll incorporate them together. Let's mix. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at that. I think we're there. We've got our chocolate ganache. Let's create our second layer. Evenly spread the ganache all over the crust. So this chocolate ganache is gonna harden in the freezer, and while that happens, I'm gonna pull out this and let it soften. Our chocolate ganache has hardened quite nicely. Our ice cream has been softening for half an hour, so now I should be able to scoop it with my industrial strength ice cream scooper. Da-da-da. So the reason we soften the ice cream is not only so it's easily scoopable, but also so it's easily spreadable. Peppermint ice cream layer on top of the chocolate ganache. This is looking really good. I'm gonna put this in the freezer to set it. While that hardens, I'm gonna make some whipped cream. We're gonna whip it with the variable speed human blender 1900. Add in some sugar now, which will make the whipped cream taste even better. It's very nice. All right, it's starting to come together. Whipped cream's all done. Our final topping, candy canes. Use the bottom of the wine bottle first. Ooh, they smell so pepperminty. Let's finish off our cake. Good, everything matches my shirt. Cream! The ice cream has hardened, which means when I go to spread this whipped cream about, it's not gonna take the ice cream with it. But instead, it's gonna allow me to spread it, which is happening right now. This is really pretty, I'm very pleased. We got peppermint ice cream on the inside, and I know that even though I can't see it, thanks to these candy canes on top. We're gonna put this in the freezer now until everything hardens, and we can slice it like a cake. Jingle bells! We've got our cake here. It has hardened in the freezer. I think it's about time we cut into it and try a slice. This looks like the perfect treat for an elf, and it's only $1.06 a serving. It tastes like a chocolate-covered peppermint ice cream cone, but fluffier and more fun in a multi-layered extravaganza. Whether it's July or December, this is the perfect dessert to put out, and I think Santa and his reindeer will be coming back for more.